Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I am making Scotcheroos, but using Biscoff instead of peanut butter for those people who are allergic to peanut butter. I wasn't sure if they would work, but they did. Follow the regular Scotcheroo recipe, except substitute the Biscoff for the peanut butter. Preparation is important. Butter your 9 by 13 inch dish or use parchment paper. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I love using parchment paper because it makes it so easy to lift the cookies out and cut them. Measure your 6 cups of cereal in a bowl. Measure 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of light corn syrup and put them in a 2-quart saucepan or one of similar size. Measure a cup of Biscoff and set it aside for a bit later. Turn on your burner to a medium-low heat and stir the sugar and corn syrup constantly until they just come to a boil. This is the trickiest part. If you don't cook it long enough, they won't stay together. If you cook it too long, you won't be able to bite into them later. Add the Biscoff and mix well. Pour this mixture over the Rice Krispies and stir it well. Spoon it into your 9 by 13 pan and press it down evenly. Don't worry if it's not perfect because the chocolate will hide any imperfections. Set it aside for now. Cut off the top of the chocolate chip package and the butterscotch chip package. Wash your saucepan and melt the butterscotch chips and chocolate chips on a low heat until they are completely melted. Pour this over your cookie mixture and spread it evenly. Let them cool for about 30 minutes before cutting. I sometimes put them in the fridge to cool them quicker. Cut and enjoy. Feel free to watch our bloopers at the end of this video. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this. I think I prefer the peanut butter though. There's a few left. I hope these set up okay.